My name is Frank. I started using TeloYouth about a week and a half ago. Last Monday, it's Thursday now, in July, and just a basic intro. I've always enjoyed running. I've ran my whole life, but ever since starting TeloYouth, my running has actually improved, and my healing from those runs has improved as well. Even the first day I ran for 26 miles after taking a few capsules of TeloYouth, and I usually start cramping around 21, 22 miles, where that's the end of my run, 22, 23 miles. And just taking TeloYouth for the first time in one day, in one session, I was able to recognize a huge improvement just off of that alone. Besides that, I was able to heal much quicker. From recent past, I've taken more than 2 days to heal, and as of recently, I've been able to I've been able to have a strenuous workout every other day that involves tempo runs, repeats, HIIT runs, and I've felt very energized and healthy for each one of those runs from beginning to end. And it's the first time in my life where every single workout that I've done, I consistently get faster, as my workout continues. So I keep fighting hidden energy that I didn't realize I had. And that's kind of where I'm at with my journey with using TeloYouth and my running. So I'll see how much further that can go. I'm thinking.